Di atas bayang-bayang ku temukan jejak cinta yang mengatur pertemuan antara benci dan rasa dendam. Tak seperti dugaanku, sakit hatiku ternyata melebihi rasa sakit apapun yang ada di dunia. Ku mengira kau tak jahat, kamu kan mencintaiku, namun kamu lemah dan tak bisa menghentikan semua. Apa ini yang kau mau, melihat aku sehancur ini? Sungguh keji kalian berdua tak pantas dalam kehidupanku. Tak seperti dugaanku, sakit hatiku ternyata melebihi rasa sakit apapun yang ada di dunia. Ku mengira kau tak jahat, kamu kan mencintaiku, namun kamu lemah dan tak bisa menghentikan semua. Apa ini yang kau mau, melihat aku sehancur ini? Sungguh keji kalian berdua tak pantas dalam kehidupanku. Jahat, kamu kan mencintaiku, namun kamu lemah dan tak bisa menghentikan semua. Sungguh keji kalian berdua tak pantas dalam kehidupanku.
Welcome, Mita Lestari. Hi, Mita.
Hello, good evening.
Whoa, that
Hello,
was
good evening.
hot. Please have a seat.
That was not as good as
No.
But
you guys think.
that was heartbreaking. I mean, the movie itself is about. I mean, this is not the first movie about home wrecker
Right.
that has been that have recorded a lot of selling in
right.
Indonesia,
It's now
right?
been more than 3 million
guess so.
movie
Yes,
goers
for
actually.
15 days.
For
15 days only, right.
And you just sang the soundtrack for the movie Ipar
Yes.
Adalah Maut,
Luckily.
Tak Pantas, and congratulations for that single.
Thank you so much.
And
Thank you so
also,
much.
congratulations for
Have
the.
you guys watched the movie?
I haven't.
Not yet.
I
I have
haven't.
not. No, I haven't.
I'm actually, personally, I'm afraid of watching that movie because that movie could be like very heartbreaking and,
Yes.
and tear-jerker.
I think so
Very
too.
traumatic.
because-
Traumatic, yeah, that's
too.
true.
Right.
That's true. So, about the song,
Yes.
who wrote the song?
Melly Guzlayan Antahut.
Melly Guzlayan.
The renowned Melly Guzlayan Antahut.
Okay, so did you get involved in the making of the song?
No.
But
No.
what if made you say yes on the?
Of course I
singing the
have to
song?
say yes before I even listen to the song.
Because it's such a reason.
Yeah, first, okay. I was firstly called by the MD Pictures,
Mm-hmm.
and Nita, you're chosen to sing the soundtrack of what movie? Ipar Adalah Maut. Okay. Yeah,
Just like that, right?
That's number one. And who's the director? Mas Hanung Bramantyo. Okay, number two.
Sold.
And then
That's it?
who's the songwriter for the song? Melly Guslan Antoid. Okay, number three. Okay, I don't need to listen to the song beforehand. I'm just like, okay.
That is
yes.
my cue to
Exactly.
say yes.
Yes,
So all
exactly.
boxes were ticked before you even thought about anything
Indeed,
else.
it's 3 yeses.
Oh my goodness.
Three yeses.
Three
yes.
yeses already from the top to bottom. So
Yeah.
what's actually, if you wanna, can you elaborate a little bit more, because we know this is the soundtrack of that movie, so we kind of know what the premise of the movie is. But coming from your perspective, what this song is trying to convey to the audience? What do you think
About the
that?
song.
Yeah,
Is there
the
any
song.
certain thing that you want to your listener to get after they heard the song?
Yeah, because the tune was really sad. The tune was really heartbreaking when you just performed it in about 2-3 minutes ago, right?
Certainly, there will be no laugh after
No, I
after
don't
the
think so.
song or anything
Right.
like that.
So sorry.
It's alright. It's alright.
That's a problem with my clip-on.
Oh yeah.
No
So yeah.
problem.
Sorry
So
again.
what's the song about? If you from your perspective, what
Yeah.
is the song about? What are you trying to convey?
Exactly what I'm trying to explain to you guys after I read the question, because I cannot really say what is the message inside the song until you guys watching the movie. Because if I'm if I'm telling you guys about the message, means I have to tell the story over the movie. So it means that I'm spoiling the story.
No
Yeah,
spoilers.
But
that's
actually,
why.
the movie is
Yeah.
based on a thread. On
That is not
X
just a threat.
or-
That is a real story, but makes as a threat in TikTok.
Oh, right,
so
okay.
a real story made into a thread on
Yes,
TikTok.
yes.
And
Going viral.
this has gone
Right, okay.
viral.
Yes.
And basically, it's about homewrecker.
Yes.
But in this movie as well, a lot of big names being involved.
Yes.
Hanung Bramantyo.
Yes.
And
Melly
also-
Guslow, and
Melly Guslow.
also Leodra is
Leodra
also,
Ginting as well.
filling
Right.
the soundtrack as well.
Now, you were saying about one of the boxes being ticked when you got the call first was actually the soundtrack written by Melly Guslow and Anto Hood.
Yes.
Is it your first time to collaborate with both of them?
Yes.
And how does it feel? I mean, back in, I don't know, 2001?
Early
2002?
2000s, right.
Early 2000, they wrote a big hit upon the movie Ada Apa Dengan
Ada Apa Dengan
Cinta.
Cinta? Yes,
Right.
you're right.
And around that time, you must have been like so little.
Yes.
Like a very little
I'm on
child.
elementary school.
Elementary school.
Okay.
So
Yes.
how does it feel for you to collaborate with such a big and great names?
Working with Melly Guslow and Anto Hood was an incredible experience for me. Like working with both of them are inspiring and educational at the same time. And also presenting the song that they wrote is, it marks a new level of the artistic achievement in my career.
Right, of course.
I cannot elaborate more to that because it more to, I really feel that, oh my God, thank you, Ya Allah. Working with Anto Hood and Melly Guslow is one of the dream lists that I have to take in my life before I die.
Yes.
And
yes.
that is one of them and ticked. I wish I will work more with them.
Oh, yeah,
Oh,
of course.
certainly.
I mean,
Certainly after this.
amen to that, of course.
Yes.
Of course. Now, Mita, can you tell us a little bit on the story about how Tak Pantas, that song was actually selected to become the soundtrack? Maybe this is what we don't know, right? Maybe there was
Yes.
another song, maybe 2 songs that were
Yes.
actually being nominated, kind of thing, to be the soundtrack.
Yes.
Was there anything like that? And did you have any input,
Well,
maybe?
Yeah, well, actually, I think the producers believed to the emotional depth to the song and also the lyrical content that is very complemented the theme of the movie,
Right.
right? And I am so sure that they also have such a very serious and long consideration, also a meeting to decide the song because I also don't know what this song has been chosen because I'm also chosen.
Right.
I'm also chosen to be the singer to this Tapanta song, so the song is there before they choose me as a singer.
Before
So
they
they got
had
the song first,
singer
and
in
then
mind.
you came
Yes,
later.
yes,
Okay,
yes.
okay. And when you were doing the, everything the work was being put into, did you have any say or any input? Because again,
Not really, because
Okay.
I don't want to, go and hands-on to the song baby of someone's song.
Yeah,
That might be the code of conduct for
Exactly.
some
okay.
artists.
That's
Yes,
COD,
yes,
right? And
fashionable.
COC. And then, since I know that Melly Guslo is put a lot of efforts and very serious efforts to make this song, because she gotta read the script over, she said more than 100 times just to make this song.
wow, so that's the
Yes.
story
She
behind
read the
this-
stories
how this
more than
song came
100
about.
times.
Exactly.
See, this is something that's
Yes.
very amazing for us
My
to know.
publishing is also want me to join a little bit to the writing session.
Uh-huh.
But I said to them, you know what, guys? I know how Taimeli works, and I don't want to disturb her creative process.
Right.
And I know she is so good at that. And after I listened to the song, and at first I listened to the song and read the lyrics, I just like, okay, I cannot do anything
About
this.
it.
Yes, I just can interpret this in my way.
Now, probably that is one of your skills that has been weighed in
Right.
when it comes to choosing the singer for this particular song. Because the previous songs that you've produced, I mean, that you had in your previous albums, Cuma Punya Hati. And then Bukan Untuk
Can you sing?
Dimiliki.
Can you sing my song?
Ku cuma punya
All right. Oh, thank
There
you.
you go. You have a competition now.
Hey, dude, I love her song. But by the way,
Yes.
that has been quite a journey for you in your career,
Yes.
to the point that we've known you as one of the mellow queens, heartbreaking queens.
Whoa,
So,
okay.
is it one?
I wonder how is my people.
I wonder is it one of the considerations of choosing you as the singer for this heartbreaking song, but you get to keep that for answering later?
For a few more
But there's
minutes,
an-
right? Yes, you cannot answer now because we tell you to. You have to hold it up. All right, guys, we're gonna take a quick break because See the Stories will be back after this one, and we're still gonna talk with Mita Lestari. Stay tuned.